Ankit was a very happy-go-lucky person, like still is. But the first thing I saw noticed about Ankit since first semester was that his attitude was always like very positive. It's something like ठीक है बारिश हो रही है या कुछ खराब है ठीक है कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता we are getting late for something ठीक है कोई ना we'll do it. It's always like look forward and I felt like that is something which I did not do a lot, so I learned that from Ankit a bit, not a lot but a bit. So got that optimism from him. So that way, yeah, he was a very positive, hardworking and a very optimistic person.
So how was he like in college? You can tell any naughty story or any story, whatever you want.
No. Before that, before the first thing I would like to say is one of the nicest persons we all have come across. I certainly have come across right from our first semester of college, and we hit it off right away. In him, of course, I found a really, really close and special friend, and who was really humble, down to earth. At the same time, very quite funny. He has a very quirky sense of humor. He used to keep our hostel rooms and our group alive through his very
He was the life of the party.
very unique sense of humor. Always he used to come up with, he can still come up with we formed a term for that called Baseen jokes. Ankit jokes because for this typical kind of PJs he used to come up with and keep all of us entertained. And above all, I think he has a heart of gold. He wants to take care of everyone, keep everyone happy, take everyone along the way. That's one quality of his which really stands out, apart from him being a really smart dude, of course.
So when was the first time you met?
I met him in college, though I think in second year we became friends. His calm demeanor is something which struck me always. I am the one who is a little reckless, sometimes careless also. And Ankit is one of those responsible guys, every time calming people around him. So it has a very calming effect. Recently also I was talking to him about certain things, and he has a very, as Shavik said, a very happy-go-lucky attitude. So it does really help when people are around him, and he tries to take care of everyone around. And his attitude is like, हो जाएगा सब कुछ चिंता मत करो. Like he's saying that, though I know that is going to happen, but when he says it, it makes me calmer.
So
What was the first impression you took about?
So I would not want to share my first impression in the sense not because it was not good, but the fact is that I have so much more to share about Ankit because see, we became friends really after even though we were in the same college for 5 years, we really became friends after college because we both got selected in the same office, we gave interview at the same place and then got selected in the same office. So we have spent endless nights in that office, okay, and we have had the best and the worst of times there. So he would come cribbing about his seniors, having scolded him. I'll go to him, okay, raat ke 10 baje, like, this senior has scolded me and all that, and we will share our scolding stories. Ki I was scolded like this, and I'll tell him that I was scolded like this, and we'll compare notes who got the better scolding and stuff like that. So yeah, those times are like priceless. And yeah, so in college he was more of that guy who will crack the lame joke and laugh himself. And then, but then in office I just saw a completely different side of him, like a side which was so caring. Like on the days when I would be feeling really really low, he will come up to me crack a joke and try and do something to just cheer you up. So, and there's one memory I think that was the just sweetest of them, and I love Anuja and Ankit both for this memory. So basically I had an education loan in college, so while I was working in office I was trying to repay that loan. So on the last day when I paid the last installment, so they just said, okay, let's just we have done something for you. So I didn't know what is it. So they had ordered a cake for me. It's a very small gesture, but I just felt so good ki they are caring so much about me and all that. So I just love Anuja and Ankit for this, and they are just absolute sweethearts. Yeah.
You guys do you have any other memories in college? Like any funny fights, any
बहुत सारे ऐसे तो but
quite a few. Like some incident which happened with teachers or something.
We can share the one when like Ankit was kicked out of Shauvik's room. Maybe that's.
Yeah, tell us about that.
I can't tell about that.
Devanshu will be the best to explain that one. He was in the room at that
He
time.
was kicked out, but
I was also kicked out.
I think Namit would have been the best one to explain it.
Shavik, we cracked some joke at Shavik, and
expense.
Shavik kicked me and Ankit out.
Out of my room, na?
And one time तो तूने नमित और मेरे को ही आउट किया था, अंकित को नहीं किया था, because तेरा obviously special interest है अंकित में.
Special interest.
What is that special interest?
That he will explain.
I have no clue about that. I have no clue what it means.
come on, you have to share it.
I have no clue.
They're taking such an effort to like make a video. You have to put it on record.
He can.
मेरी affinity
On my
बता
behalf.
दे
Yeah,
उसके
he'll
बाद.
see this and he'll be very happy.
Basically, his special thing is like he's been sharing because Ankit was roommates with these two other people in his first semester, but one of them was like this party animal, and the other person was a serial prankster who found Ankit as his
Bunny.
bunny to like make fun of, and like so after like I think maybe maybe first sem or not even entirety of
First
first sem,
month.
maybe
After
maybe the
first
first
couple of
month or
months.
something. He put his hands up and he was like, I need to change my room. And by then he had bonded with Shavik quite a bit, and they were they would be sharing their things and all their whatever stories and experiences with each other. So Ankit found an easy candidate, and then even they were like three to a room. So the third roommate was also very similar to Basin in the sense that he was also like a very chilled out guy,
Yeah.
and you wouldn't even notice that he's in the room or not. So the three of them were like a very nice and calm part of the floor where you could always go and you'd find they're just chilling. बाकी हर जगह पार्टी शोर मच रहा है यहाँ पे, कोई लैपटॉप में बैठा है, कोई गेम खेल रहा है, कोई गाने सुन रहा है टाइप्स, and they would be constantly just sharing their their love lives and जो भी मतलब घर के problems होंगे नहीं होंगे, they would be that's why they're like they have that. He has that special affinity, sweet spot for Basin.
Okay, I have to admit that. That's very true. Very aptly put. I myself could not have. Sorry.
What all used to happen in your
Stays in the room.
Nothing probably which you were expecting. It's just that the change
What was he expecting?
that. But yeah, that change of room for Ankit. Actually Ankit and I were both quite a little bit of a little bit troubled with the roommates we were allocated by the college authorities. So when we changed the room and we became roommates, and we found I think both of us found the hostel a little more livable, to be very honest. And from then on, Ankit and I have been roommates. I have been roommates for the longest time with Devanshu. But then, since we three of us spent quite a good time together, I mean, all the way in separate rooms, but it made the hostel life much more livable for us.
So, we were talking to Anuja actually. So she was telling that he used to report traffic violence.
He used to violations.
Violations, yeah.
Yeah, that.
Violations he reported.
yeah. He used to do that on the Facebook page.
No, on Twitter also. On Twitter he
also.
shared like he will tag Delhi police and गाड़ी मतलब थोड़ी सी आगे चली गई signal के.
He absolutely hates Delhi culture. He thinks that the kind of city we are living in, he just thinks that it's an absolute, like the people in this city are absolutely what's the word for it? I don't know what to say. Like they're not civilized people, they don't follow rules and all that. So he suddenly became this
Tries to put them in jail.
he was trying to be a woke citizen and trying to report all these traffic violations and all that. So yeah, that was a phase, I think.
Yeah, that is.
Yeah.
driving a lot these days.
Yeah, that phase did come. Yeah.
Any other phases we had?
Any other phases?
Any other phases?
So then we'll come here.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Since
2015.
What was the first impression?
I was terrified of Ankit because he was a batch senior to me, and I am an extremely chatty person, as was evident. So, and I was told that he's my team senior, and I met him at the staircase, and I randomly, I think it was stupid on my part only, I stopped randomly and I was like, "Hi, I'm in your team," and Ankit just was like, and then he walked off. And I think ever since then I've just been like, oh my god, this is Ankit Bhasin. He used to be taken seriously. But then I think when Paris joined in, so I joined in July, Paris joined in August. And then I think Ankit found like a soul sister in office for himself. And thanks to that, that sort of bridged my existence in Ankit's life also. And the three of us became really good friends.
And I think in my case, Ankit was more terrified of me.
Yeah, but everybody is
Because
terrified of you, Paris.
I spoke to Ankit for the first time in 2014, is when I was interning for the firm where all of us eventually started working together and became
And
friends.
Paris used to dress like a partner,
Yeah,
even
so-
as an intern. So everyone was terrified
So
of
one
Paris.
day he called, he called me on the intern desk. So I was of course getting work from partners and all. So मैंने कहा कौन करेगा associate का ये काम? Then he called me, he's like, I have work for you. I said, I don't have time, and I put the phone down. So I think he remembered that when I joined the team a year later. So I think when I used to walk up to him and call him sir, when I walked up to him, I used to call him sir, and he's half my size. So I think he was a little intimidated in the beginning, but then of course slowly we all bonded, and it was a very high stress environment. So you end up sort of
Yeah.
becoming comrades of sorts,
Yeah.
helping each other emotionally, sort of picking each other up.
Uplifting each
and,
other's souls.
getting
Yeah. So
through-
one fun thing about Ankit is that when he's really stressed, you can see that his ears turn red. So you know that is not the time that you poke the bear, because he's really going to give it back to you. So we would like tiptoe to Ankit and be like, Ankit, and he'd be like, 5 minutes, just give me 5 minutes. It's like,
Okay, so I want to like butt in here. Like this is completely wrong. Okay, this
my
is completely
goodness.
wrong.
By the way,
picture that they're
nothing I
trying to
say is
portray
really
is
wrong.
nothing like Ankit Bhasin. He was the sweetest senior to
Oh,
both
let me
of
get
them.
to it now. I
He
was
was
We are
never
getting to the
serious.
sweet part.
He
We
was
are getting
never
to the
serious.
I
sweet
am
part.
giving you a time frame.
Yeah, we are
okay?
getting to
so
the
I
sweet
was
part.
giving you
We are
July
going
to
step by step.
July to maybe September. Okay, 2 months. A lot happened.
That is the starting.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then I think Ankit just like showed what a kitten at heart he is, and then he was just like, and he was extremely welcome. So at least for me, I'm not from Delhi, so my office friends are a huge support system. So Ankit, Paras, they both sort of then welcomed me into their social lives also. So
You
that
said you
really.
wanted to talk about Anuja also.
Arey, wait, I'm getting there, yeah.
Yeah. What is
So-
Ankit Paras? Where did Anuja
Arey,
go?
1 second. She joined later,
Acha,
no?
okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Anyway. So then, but then it got even better when Anuja joined, because Anuja joined in 2016 and she had interned with AZB before. So we'd become friends when she was an intern only.
Even Ankit and Anuja became really good
was
friends when they were
Better
interning.
before Anuja joined.
It really wasn't. It really wasn't, because Anuja was that missing piece that we needed. Because Ankit, I think, was like a little reserved, because he was really, I'll say this in camera on record, Ankit really likes Paras more. Just say. So
I mean, I agree.
so when Anuja joined, I think I sort of found my, someone like I could shower affection with. So then the four of us sort of became really close. And yeah, so they've been like my office friends, family. So yeah.
Why do you think he likes?
I don't know. I don't know. I mean,
Because I keep telling her. So
I don't know. I think it's maybe I'm just a really chatty person, so I think I don't know. I'm not certain.
no, but that's not true. That's really not true. I think
But yeah.
for him, both of us, like, it's the same thing. There's no difference. Very honestly. I mean, I joke about it, but like, he would never agree to that.
Exactly. He would
Yeah.
never agree, but heart of hearts, everyone knows. It's just
Okay, I
But
think now we leave it to them to ask more
So
questions.
when was the first time you came
2016, when she had just joined. Because they had sort of started getting pally when she was interning at AZ.
Yeah, and then Ankit used to get.
They knew each other, but internship time is when they really, love was in the air.
Yeah, and
when
Ankit used to get these phone calls, and he would just be like, 1 second, and then he would just, hello, I'm coming.
And he would keep his phone upside down
Yeah,
on the
yeah, yeah.
table. He
Yeah.
never wanted anybody to see that Anuja's calling him.
Yeah.
So yeah.
What all incident happened like this? Like when they were meeting him?
These small things, like his phone would ring, suddenly he'd pick it up and turn around. And
Yeah.
I mean, you could tell,
But
know.
it was a secret shot kept.
Yeah.
Like,
Actually, they wanted
I mean,
to hide
we.
it also
Yeah.
because they didn't want it
Exactly.
to
It was
get
just.
public.
That's all. It was a
Because she
secret
was
that was
also
very
working
short.
in the same firm, so they wanted to sort of try and hide it. But then, of course,
And it was so cute. Like Ankit used to so Ankit used to sharpen pencils for Anuja and keep it on her desk and go. Like it was like, did you know this? It's really cute.
In all the
You can edit this
conversations,
part
we never
out
put
if
this
you
out.
want. But yeah, she
it was
used
a
to.
bad time for me because suddenly all the love I used to get was
Hey, what? No, such a needy guy. But yeah.
suddenly Friday, Saturday nights he didn't have time for us.
Yeah.
After work, he would go out with Anuja, and he would keep making reasons that I can't come today,
Ah.
this, that, and
Our
So, yeah.
walks became fewer.
yeah.
So that's what he was doing. He was sharpening pencils.
Sharpening pencil उसने ऑफिस में किया है.
हाँ, so evening walks were during office hours only.
Oh, you mean those? अच्छा अच्छा.
Outside
Okay,
the
okay,
office,
okay.
evening walks.
Yeah.
Pep talks जो होती थी ना निकल के आज काम कितना खराब है and also Devanshu lost his partner after Anuja came into the picture.
That's why I left office. Like,
दिवांशु से हो नहीं पाया.
yeah, I could not take the heartache anymore.
Devanshu quit after that.
So what do you think? What all changes
No change. He was just a mushy puppy type.
Yeah.
मतलब वही था.
He was like a really
he's-
cute guy in love,
Yeah.
you know.
There's no change
Yeah.
to us. He was really very, very Ankit was that the ideal associate to look up to.
Yeah,
So good at his work and always accommodative of another person's, always helping out, and except when his ears were turning red and he was just like, okay, give me some time. But
She's lying.
I'm not lying. But yeah.
So you don't think so? You're used to talk.
Though his ears used to turn red, that's true. That is actually true. But the part that that's the time you can't poke him, that's wrong. Because
Maybe
you
you could. I
you
didn't
can
have
po-
that leverage.
Okay, please. You had much more leverage. There's nothing that you can't say to him.
That's true.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So when now when you see them together, what do you feel? What do you think?
We just feel like the picture's complete.
Yeah.
It's been in the making for years now. So yeah,
Exactly.
it's sort of the natural beginning
Natural
and
progression of things.
yeah. So yeah, it's all fitting in place perfectly fine.
No, I mean, bottom line is that I'm really happy for both Ankit and Anuja that it's finally it's happening. They're married and it's finally culminated what was in the works for quite a number of years, and they finally have each other once and for all, and they will get to spend their entire life with each other. That's a really lovely, really sweet thing. So we are all really happy for both of them.
Anuja gets a 24/7 comedian. That's
Yes, that's true.
I don't know if he still did it.
Okay, come here now. We are talking about you.
अब जाओ ना.
Get some
नहीं,
feel good
नहीं.
factor. Acha, oh, no, you can't be here. Bye.
क्या है यार?
Sorry, I didn't. You can't be here. Bye.
You can't be here.
Bye. Sorry.
You're
sorry.
editing all this, no? हाँ. So Ankit had this great habit. So if you ended up while talking, how some people have hand gestures, right? So Anuja used to keep talking like that, and Ankit would put an eraser on her hand or a sharpener on her hand.
No, but I'll tell you something. Just about 2 years ago, winter time, we were at Mr. Roy's wedding. In Delhi. Another close friends of ours, Mr. Roy and Devina. So Anuja, Ankit and I were there. It was a winter wedding, and it was at their home. So I very clearly remember, this was just before we got sloshed, is when she said that this is how I would want my wedding to be. I wanted to be so small that all of us can fit in this really small space. And somehow I think this period, this whole Corona phase, has made it come true because at their wedding it was just
Such
the
a private-
closest of
Like
friends
how
and
Ankit
family.
says that we are the premium lot that
Yeah.
got
He
invited.
calls me and tells me, Paras, there are 50 people, the creme de la creme,
Yeah.
so you
He-
better be there.
He told me the same thing that, Shreya, it's only the premium people who've gotten the invitation. I was like, okay. But yeah.
I mean, yeah, things have really fallen together.
Message.
Yeah, you put us in a tough spot.
I mean-
पहले कॉलेज वालों से पूछो.
I think he was saying something. Yeah.
Yeah, like my only message to him was like, don't change. Keep the positivity going. Keep that inside Ankit of yours always alive. That is going to probably come the most handy in dealing most situations in life. So yeah, I think that is the best thing I would like to say to him.
I would just say that probably just like he always does, go with the flow and like stay positive, which is what he always does. So I think that's what I would suggest both of them.
I think you can just like look at them and you know that they are going to have a very very happy life together. So that's like there's nothing to tell them. You just know that it's a dream come true and they are like going to have a dream life together.
Any advice for Anuja?
For Anuja,
Yeah, any advice? Because you guys know Ankit so well.
learn to. I think she already does, but like laugh more at his jokes. Yeah, like try and laugh when he cracks those jokes. That's all we can tell him.
Anyone wants to give any advice to Anuja?
Any warnings? Advice? Warnings not at all. I don't think that's
No, like
needed.
she needs to be, as I said, she needs to be a bit patient at times and learn to appreciate his humor, which requires a bit getting used to. But yeah, he's super sweet and but maybe sometimes slightly naive, and that requires a little bit of getting used to, maybe for a girl. So yeah, I would advise her rather to that, be a bit patient with him at times. That's it.
You guys have
Advice to Anuja. Maybe just ensure that, if Ankit is deciding on like a milkshake and Big Chill and all of that together, the next morning is going to be terrible. So please, when these plans are in the works, just nip it in the bud, please.
Any advice?
Yeah. For Anuja.
See, for the both of them, I keep giving them love and advice when I'm drunk, but I really want this to be captured. Is that since at the pace at which some of my best friends are getting married, I keep telling all of them, please don't forget my importance in your life and don't forget me. That's all I'm going to say. Yeah, so that's it.